Want to play games in your Tesla Model 3? This video will guide you through downloading and playing games using Tesla Arcade. By 2026, Tesla's Arcade is a robust cloud-based gaming platform offering a variety of games. We'll cover everything from arcade basics to Wi-Fi requirements, ensuring you have a smooth gaming experience. The core of Tesla Gaming is the Arcade app. This dedicated platform provides access to a variety of games directly through your vehicle's infotainment system. To access Arcade, simply tap the touchscreen's main menu. You'll see the app icon among the available options, designed for easy navigation while your vehicle is parked. Once opened, you'll find a curated library of games ready for download. Tesla selects high-quality titles that work well in the car environment, with categories to help you browse. No external hardware like consoles is needed. Everything runs through the Tesla infotainment system, making it convenient for on-the-go entertainment. Games are optimized for touch controls on the large touchscreen, or you can pair Bluetooth controllers like Xbox or PlayStation for a more traditional gaming experience. Downloading games requires a stable Wi-Fi connection. Tesla recommends a minimum of 10 Mbps for HD streaming and 25 for 4K. Connect to your home or a secure Blick Wi-Fi network. While Tesla's premium connectivity plan, 4G, 5G HOTS can be used, Wi-Fi is preferred for faster speeds and unlimited data. Download sizes range from 2 to 5 gigabits, so patience is key. In the Arcade app, browse the game library to see all available games. Select a game you want to play and tap the download button. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi for the download process. The download progress will be displayed on the screen. Download times can vary from 5 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, the game is ready to launch. While not directly for gaming, Theater Mode enhances the overall in-car entertainment. It allows you to stream movies and TV shows via apps like Netflix. To activate Theater Mode, tilt the touchscreen. This feature is available on Model 3s with premium connectivity. Theater Mode complements Arcade for multimedia sessions, but games must be accessed separately through the Arcade app. Tesla's Arcade offers a variety of exciting games for Model 3 owners. Let's explore some popular titles and what you can expect from the gaming experience. One popular game is Fortnite, featuring intense battle royale gameplay where players compete in multiplayer matches. Horizon Zero Dawn offers an epic open-world adventure where you explore a post-apocalyptic world filled with robotic creatures and ancient mysteries. BeamNG.Drive provides a realistic driving simulation experience, perfect for testing vehicle physics and enjoying automotive adventures. Beach Buggy Racing 2 delivers exciting kart racing action with colorful characters and challenging tracks. All games in Tesla Arcade are completely free to download and play for Model 3 owners. This is made possible through Tesla's Supercharger revenue model. Expect high-quality graphics and immersive gameplay experiences. Games download smoothly over Wi-Fi with fast loading times. For safety, games automatically pause if the vehicle is in motion, ensuring a secure driving experience. Experiencing lag? This can occur during peak hours. Tesla's 5G integration in newer Model 3 units, post-2024, helps mitigate this. Ensure your Wi-Fi connection is stable and meets the recommended speed requirements. If issues persist, try restarting the Tesla's infotainment system. The future of gaming on Tesla looks incredibly promising. AI-driven personalization will adapt games to your driving habits and preferences, using data from Tesla's full self-driving system to create customized experiences. VR and AR support could arrive through Tesla's rumored AR glasses, expected around 2027, bringing immersive augmented reality gaming directly to your vehicle. Cross-platform play will allow seamless gaming between your Tesla and mobile devices, letting you continue games wherever you are. Tesla's Arcade could expand into a complete gaming ecosystem, competing with dedicated gaming consoles through partnerships and exclusive content. Stay tuned for exciting updates as Tesla pushes the boundaries of automotive entertainment.